Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. As you guys see, we have another unboxing. I'm so super excited about this one. Anyway, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, hit that subscribe button. Please like, comment, definitely subscribe, join the family. We talk about everything that's bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. This is the channel for you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. And let's get into this unboxing. All right, guys. So in this unboxing, I'm so excited about this item that's in here. Without any further ado, I don't want you guys to hold you guys suspense. Let's get into this unboxing. So, sorry guys. On the other side, it has my address, so that's why I'm opening from this side. My dandy, trusted box cutter. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, as you guys can see, it's a Louis Vuitton box. The reason why I'm so excited about this item is where I picked it up from. Hold on, let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. Yes, sorry. So it is a Louis Vuitton item that I did pick up, but it's who I picked it up from that I'm super excited about. Well, she put a little card in here that says thank you. Ooh. So I'm just gonna put it right here as you guys can see. I did purchase it from Foxy LV. She does have a consignment shop. It's called Foxy LV Den on Instagram. So I did purchase this item from her. I was so excited. It says love Foxy. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys who I purchased it from. This is my very first time purchasing an item from Foxy LV, from her consignment shop called Foxy LV Den. It's on Instagram. If you guys are interested in it, I'll put the shop name. But this is my very first time ordering something from her consignment shop, and I'm super excited about this item. So without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Can you guys guess what it is before I even open it? I think you probably will know what it is if you've been around my channel, but I'm not sure. So pause this video, take a guess, and let me know if you got it right. Anyway, so 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Come with the dust bag. So 3, 2, 1. Let's open this bad boy up. Guys, so I ordered the LV Felicie, but in the empreinte leather, the black empreinte leather, guys. Look how beautiful it look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so excited about this. So it has like just a little scratch on the button, but it's expected. Oh my God. So this one I did order it without the insert because if you guys are already aware in my channel, I do have this same design but in the Demir Abin print, and I did get that one from Bag with Culture, and I ordered it without the insert as well. So I did order this from LV, Foxy LV's consignment shop. It didn't come with an insert, but I don't mind it because I don't really need the insert. But I got this for such a great price. So the empreinte leather Felicie is actually going for like 1690, I think, or 1700 on the LV website if you want the empreinte leather one. I got this for $900, guys. Yeah, so I was like, I'm getting this. So it does come with the chain. As you guys know, the chain is not adjustable, but to me it sits so nice on my body frame because I am petite in height, and so it does fit really good. So it did come with the gold LV chain. It just did not come with the insert, which I'm perfectly fine about. I don't really care about the insert, but it did come with the box and the dust bag, so I'm excited about that, guys. So this is actually, guys, story time. This is actually my very first Louis Vuitton empreinte leather piece. Like I've always gotten like the canvas, like the monogram, the demi bin, the demi azure, but I've never gotten anything in the empreinte leather. This is my very first piece, and I'm so happy I got it in the Felicie. You guys know I love my Felicie I have the Louis Vuitton, the Felicie in the demi bean. I love that bag. I just think it's so beautiful. It's so well made. So when I saw this on Foxy's, she posted it on her consignment shop. Like I told you guys, she does have a consignment shop. She posted it on it, and I was like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's black, gold hardware. I'm not really a black person. I kind of try to stay away from it, but this one was so beautiful for the price and the condition. It's literally like new. It just doesn't come with the insert. But I was like, oh, okay, I'm good, because if it came with the insert, it would have probably been way more than what I paid for, obviously. So as you can see, even the leather piece, I mean the hardware piece on the side, no scratches on there. You see this other one too, no scratches on there. And even on the side of it, it looks so good, guys. Look, there is nothing out of frame on this one. Like, this looked like the person probably bought it, barely used it, and consigned it with Foxy LV. So I am excited about this. I'm excited about my very first enfant letters in the Felicie, a style that I adore and I love and I use so frequently. And then in a color that's neutral, that I can put with anything. I can dress it up, dress it down, use it as a clutch. Guys, I am so excited about this. And look at the inside. The inside is literally like no stain, nothing. Literally brand new, guys. Look, nothing. And it even comes, wow. And you see, we discovered some, it comes with the style number tag right here. It says it's in the Felicie font letter, and this is the GM size. So this probably might be a little bit bigger than the canvas one that I actually have. So let me pause the video real quick and get the canvas so we can kind of take a look at it. Alrighty, guys, so I'm back. So this is the canvas one that I have. This is in the Demi Abin canvas, and this is in the arm point. So as you can see, the arm point kind of seem like it's a little bit bigger. I mean, it kind of looked like it's the same size, but it looked like it has probably like, look, let's see. So this is the width right here between the two. You can see right here. This is the bottom right here for both. This is, yeah, so the arm point, as you guys can see, there's like a little space right here. The arm point look just a little bit wider um, than the canvas actually. So you see right here, it has a little bit more of a width coming out. Let me see if you guys can see it. Let's see. So you see right here. So the arm point is kind of sticking out a little bit more than the actual canvas. So the arm point is just a little bit more bigger than the canvas, and it's just a little taller than the canvas as well. So as you can see, they're both, see, it's a little bit taller than the canvas. So which means that this one probably have way more space than the canvas one has. So which is really good. I mean, it's the same design pattern, is the same, has one pocket on the inside, an open space right here, no pocket on the outside. Literally is the same, but it looked like it's just a little bit bigger, because even when I open, I'm like, oh, this feel a little bit bigger than this. So I guess because of the leather, as you guys can see both. Let me lay both down. You see right here? So the arm point just seems a little bit more bigger than the canvas itself. So this is the very first one that I did purchase from Bagriculture, which I adore. You guys know I adore this print, but I wanted something in the arm point. I wasn't sure exactly which Louis Vuitton piece I was going to buy in the arm point leather. So the fact that I was able to get this one, and it's a little bit more bigger in size than my canvas, guys, I'm so super excited, because look, you see, as you see, when I put it on the top, you see the little space right there. You see the difference in the space right here? So the arm point is just a little bit bigger than the canvas right here. Yep. Oh my God, I am excited, guys. I am so super excited to finally put this in my collection. This is one of the items that I actually was waiting for. So I ordered it from Elf, and it was like a very quick shipment. Like she does not play. Like I told her, hey, I wanted it. She packed it the same day, shipped it out the very next day. Like her customer service is amazing, guys. Like I know we all post pictures from Louis Vuitton, that's LV, that's Foxy posted, and we use her photos, but she is a genuinely amazing person. And if you guys have not shopped her consignment shop, guys, I will put it in the description below so you guys can actually shop it and support her. She is so amazing. You guys will love working for her. Not working for her, but you guys will love shopping and supporting her. She is genuine, guys. Like, so genuine. Like, my experience with her and buying this item was so amazing. I know I'm going to go back and buy more item from her. It's just so amazing to have somebody that actually cares, and she loves Louis Vuitton. Like, she is a wealth of knowledge when it comes to Louis Vuitton. Like, she is the primary reason why I got into Louis Vuitton, guys. If I never said that before, she's the primary reason, because just her love for the brand is just so contagious. And me being able to pick this beauty up from her for such a great price, guys. I paid $900. Like, I saved like $700-800 off this item, because this item is going for $16.90 currently. I think, yeah, $16.90 on the Louis Vuitton website. So I was able to pick this up from her for such a great, 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 great price. Guys, you cannot beat it. So, yep, I finally got two of this amazing beauty in my collections. Excited. So I got the Mia Bin canvas, and I got the Empreinte leather and the Felicie style. Anyway, guys, so that's the video. Oh, also, let me know if you guys own any of, well, this design. If you guys own the Felicie from Louis Vuitton, let's have a discussion in the comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.